Hi everybody! Can you see that? That is Helio's. That is the new on-property hotel for Epic Universe. And I am standing, so Epic is not open yet, but from Stella Nova, you can see Helio's from the parking lot. So I wanted to show you guys that. Oh, let me get my hand out of the way. Hi there. So this is Aretha, Mingle with the Kringles. I am here at Stella Nova. I'm going to show you guys the resort. I'm going to show you Stella Nova. I'm going to show you the room, and I'm going to show you Terra Luna. This is going to all be in this video. This is the outside. It's beautiful as the sun hits it. And I'll show you guys. Let me zoom out, actually. I was zoomed into my face. Sorry about that. So here is the outside. It's absolutely beautiful when the sun hits all of these tiles, and you can see, again, I know I'm going to repeat that like 100 times. You can see Helio's and some of the attractions from the parking lot. So let's walk up and check this place out. Okay, so first I want to introduce you guys. You guys have met Lisa before. Say hi, Lisa. And this is Courtney. Hi. And we are all three here for, gosh, just about a week, huh? Yeah. So we're going to take you guys in and show you this beautiful resort. Okay, so let's head in and check this place out. This is all brand new. I think it's been open, I don't know, about a month. So today is the what's today, the 27th? So there's your luggage. That's where you get your 26. I'm a day ahead of myself. Okay, and they've got the Universal Studios store. And we'll take a look in there because there's a lot of Epic merch. And this is your vacation planning center. So just like they have in all of the other resorts, they've got the Nova bar with these really odd kind of diamond-looking, diamond-shaped chairs. Lisa, you sat in these chairs. Were they comfy? Very comfy. Okay, awesome. And so here's the bar. It looks like they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 10 beers on draft. Look at the chandelier. Very cool. And that's your check-in desk over here. Did they tell us how many rooms? I can't remember. This resort has. I can't remember. They've got a market, Helio, or no, I'm sorry, Cosmos Cafe and Market. Look at this little spot in here to sit. That's kind of cool. So you've got all your basics, chips, drinks, Stella Nova cups that you can pay for the time that you have here, that you can fill. I've showed you guys those in other hotel vlogs. Cafe. Oh, so here they are. So here I'll just do a little walk up. So breakfast 7 to 11, lunch 12 to 5, and dinner 5 to 10. That's what that says there. And then here's your Stella Nova cup. And plenty of seating if you do get something to eat or drink. And that's where you would fill, oh, so there's your order pickup. That's where you would fill your drinks. So the cups are resort specific. You can't take them into the park and fill them, but you can have them for every day that you're here at the resort. And I think it's like a certain amount a day. So let's go check out the pool. So right before you walk in the back entrance of the store, they've got this display here. You can scan for theme park hours. Obviously, if you have the app, that's going to work too. They have schedules for Mardi Gras, temperatures, things like that. So this store, we came in here just for a second yesterday, but I wanted to come back to film and just take my time, show you guys all the stuff in here. So this is all Epic focused. I think there's one gondola with other stuff, like with Simpson stuff, but most of it is all Epic Universe. And look at this. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. It's got, let's see, I always look at prices. They're usually the same, but this one's $70. I don't think it's a lounge fly. I'm not sure what it is, but wands, they've got wands. If you're looking for a new wand or a wand stand. And they've got new kind of house. This is actually like puffy, so it's I'm wondering how that's going to wash, but it looks cool. Okay, so let's head over to my favorite, which is Dark Universe. I did post a short yesterday with all of the Dark Universe stuff, but I'm just going to show you guys here too. That's going to be my favorite. I'm going to live there. And we've heard that the ride in Dark Universe is like the best. People who, like employees and employee family members, have said that it's the best ride they've ever been on. So that should be fun. And then there is some Donkey Kong stuff. I'm excited about the Donkey Kong ride. That's going to be fun. I'm assuming that Terra Luna's store is going to be the same, so I'll go into detail here, but unless there's something different over there, I'm probably going to pass on showing you the store there, outside of just, showing you where the entrance is. But they've got swimwear, everything from Quicksilver. There's the Stella Resort. They've got Simpsons towels, which Simpsons is leaving Universal in 2028, so we'll see what happens with it there. Epic Universe blankets. I think this is a blanket. Yeah, that's beautiful. Purchase a freestyle souvenir tumbler and drink all day. $49.99. Probably worth it. I don't know. I'd have to really dive into it. Coffee cups, shot glasses. Hi. How are you?
Good.
Good. You want to say hi?
Hello.
These are the lovely team members running the store here. Are you guys excited? Have you gone into Epic?
Yes.
Yes. And love it.
Aww.
Yes.
It's something, if we tell you, you have to be there.
It's indescribable.
Yes.
Each world is very immersive. You walk into that world and forget where you've been. It's really, really special.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
Yeah.
I'm going to live in Dark Universe.
Oh, that one. Yes.
I'm hoping that I can rent like a little, spot in there and just live there.
Hello. ¿Cómo están?
Epic Universe sweatpants. Oh, here's an Epic Universe. See, I don't think they're lounge flies though, so I'm not really sure, but they're probably 70. Anyways, Lisa bought one of these yesterday to hold her drink in. So that's the store, guys. Some fun little animals. Oh, we have to show you guys the little Yoshi. Who wants to put them on? I'm making her put some Yoshi.
Just don't tell me how bad it looks. I get it on my head.
How cute. Very cute. He looks cute. So we got the pool, we have the room to show you, we got the lobby, there are signs to show you where the elevators are, guest rooms. There is a fitness center. I'm not going to show you the fitness center. It's right out here. You can see the door. Just because if there are people in there working out, we don't want to film that. And then obviously you can rent a car here. So in the parking lot of Stella and Terra Luna, if you've got an electric car, they do have your electric chargers here. So there's Terra Luna, okay, we're walking over there, and here is Stella Nova. So the current issue is we're trying to figure out the quickest way, like if you're doing a split stay, what is the quickest way to get over to Terra Luna? And we've just been told there's a little bridge, so we're looking for that, and we will let you guys know. Okay, so interestingly enough, we had to walk around the back of Stella Nova. Let me turn you guys around and show you. Kind of through a construction site. I'm not quite sure how this is gonna work out. We were just saying that we wish there was a sidewalk, like just a really nice walkway to walk from Stella to Terra. That would be, don't you think? That would be super convenient for people who want to do a split stay, or people who just want to go check it out, or whatever. So yeah, that's what we're doing, and we're walking up to Terra Luna now. That was a much quicker way than. Oh, Courtney, do you have that map? I wanted to show them what it said we had to do, and we were kind of freaking out. So this is what it said we had to do. So as you guys can see, here's Stella Nova, that dot, and here's Terra Luna. But it wanted us to walk all the way around the bridge and the like highway, basically. So we found somebody who told us to come this way, and which is a much shorter way. So we're almost there. And so there is this sign at the very end, but we've already walked the entire sidewalk, so pardon our whatever we're doing right now. Okay, here's one of the big Universal Orlando Resort. It's not a sign, it's like a massive, I don't know what to call it. But so there's Terra Luna, we're almost there. And so let me zoom in, there's Helio's. But you do have to take a bus over from these two resorts because you're basically crossing a freeway or a highway, or, okay, I think we'll cross here. Okay, so I think now that we're back here, we see this is like gonna be a major, part of the highway, major part of the road. So they would have to put in a full-blown crosswalk and, with signals and everything. So it's much more intense than we realized. Like looking from Stella, it looked like they could just put a crosswalk in across the grass, but that's not the case.
So I wonder if this will be the same like service and deliveries back.
Oh, okay, maybe.
Came out of.
We're walking in the backside. There was someone standing here, and he let us in the back gate, which was nice. Otherwise, we would have had to walk kind of like all the way around. I don't know what we would have done, but we would have found our way. So we're on the backside of Terra Luna.
And now I can see like the earthy tones where it's very different.
Yes, so we wanted to tell you guys the only difference really between Stella Nova and Terra Luna is, and you'll see once we get inside, I'm only showing you the room for Stella Nova because the only thing that's different is the color scheme. So Stella Nova is kind of bright and spacey and stars and things like that, and then Terra Luna is going to be more kind of earth tones and things like that. So, but other than that, they are the exact same layout, exact same rooms, exact same room types, same bed sizes, all of that stuff. And then here's the bus pickup to get back to either City Walk or to take you over to Epic once Epic opens. May 22nd. Well, May 21st, they're having an invite only kind of like opening night, and they've already had employees and employees' family members and all that kind of stuff going to the park. We met our waiter last night at the rooftop bar at Aventura, which I showed you guys in a different vlog, so I didn't film it, but he was telling us that he's been 8 times. So the employees are really getting treated well right now with their access to Epic. And so we're walking up to the front of Terra Luna now. So we don't remember seeing this over at Stella Nova. Maybe they're still installing it, but it's like the resort shuttle kind of layout of schedules, hours of operation, and then the same thing that we saw inside Stella with the scan for theme park hours, weather, and schedule for Mardi Gras. I'm not sure how it's coming through on film because the sun is right in my eyes, even though I have sunglasses on, but you can tell just with the tiles on the outside, don't you guys agree?
Yes.
That it's more earth tones, and then the same kind of entrance. This walk, I don't know what you call this big thing that it's that you get in, the revolving doors. It actually part of the glass at Stella already got broken. So I think somebody ran into it with their luggage or something, they were saying. But so now you guys, with this one, you get a feel for the main entrance, whereas at Stella right now, you have to take the doors. So we're gonna scoot in here, scooch in. And this is our first time seeing Terra Luna as well. So there's your luggage area. Hi! They'll hold your luggage if you're here early and you want to go see the parks, or your flight isn't until, you know, at night to head home, but you still want to go experience the parks or do whatever you want to do. They'll hold your luggage for you. There's the Universal Studios store. Same, it looks like it's pretty much the same stuff as at Stella. And then there's your vacation planning center. You can come pick up your tickets or whatever you need to do, or buy tickets if you need to, if you've decided to go to an extra park. There's the Omega Cafe and Market. I'll walk up here and show you guys. And so the layout is kind of opposite, because from the outside, if you guys saw, the layout of the buildings are opposite. So the market for Terra Luna is on this side, and they still do have this. And I don't know what this is. Is this just like a customer service kind of area? Oh, rental car. Okay, very good. Restrooms, there's your market, cafe. I think there's only one eating option per resort at these two. And then they've got the bar. They're calling it the Luna Bar. And as you guys know, we have our little baby girl is named Luna, our little hound dog. Let's see what this is. Universal Orlando Resort, Universal Terra Luna, Enter Another World, March 25th. So it just opened yesterday. Okay, so elevators, guest rooms, another fitness center. Okay, that's pretty much the entire lobby. It smells so new. It just smells like brand new, like a new car. It smells like brand new furniture. It just opened yesterday. Today's the 26th. They opened yesterday. So here's the outside. There's the fitness center. Better view. I don't know if anybody's in there, but again, I don't want to film people working out. It just feels weird to me. And here's the pool. There's nobody in the pool, so I get to go kind of film it and show you guys. There's really not anybody inside the pool. There are a couple of people laying out, so I think we're good to go. Here is, I want to also show you that. And then here's the pool. And it looks like there's a bar slash kind of eatery. Let me see if I can zoom in. I'll get over here and then zoom in. So that right there is a bar and grill, I believe. So yeah, I'll do one more view for you guys, just to kind of showcase all the tiles. I can't remember how many thousands of tiles per building they used, but very beautiful. Nice new resorts at Universal. This is one of the new skins for the buses, How to Train Your Dragon. This one's going to Volcano Bay. And then here's another one with Hagrid's Adventure Motorbike, I think it's called. I'm drawing a blank right now, but that's one of my favorite rides.